Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need iCloud Mail active and a network connection. Sign into your Apple ID and enable Mail in iCloud immediately. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow Notifications, right arrow Mail, and turn on Allow Notifications so alerts are possible. Make sure iOS is current because older versions change notification behavior. Next, open Mail and check your inbox. This starts background syncing. Do these steps now. They create the foundation that the rest of the setup depends on. Now configure how iCloud Mail notifies you. In Settings, right arrow Notifications, right arrow Mail, select your iCloud account, enable Lock Screen, Banners, and Notification Center. Then open Settings, right arrow Mail, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Fetch New Data, and choose Push if available or a short fetch interval for faster alerts. Use VIPs and thread notifications inside Mail for priority messages. Make sure Focus and Do Not Disturb allow Mail or add Mail to allowed apps so notifications are not silenced when you need them. Finish by sending a test message to your iCloud address and observe the alert behavior. If you don't see notifications, restart your iPhone and toggle Mail notifications off and on. Make sure Fetch/Push is correct. Re-adding the iCloud account often resolves persistent issues. As a last resort, reset network settings or check iCloud. COM to confirm delivery. Key troubleshooting tip: if Mail appears on iCloud, COM but not on your phone, re-enable Mail in iCloud settings and reboot. This often restores alerts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.